Hey nerds, welcome to my first Fail It Till I Nail It. Sans Eris, cause she was at school. Do you too wish you had beautiful marble nails? Well, I know I did. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. Instead, I ended up with these metal AF skull nails. So if you want to see the many trials and tribulations that led to these creations, keep watching. Here's all the stuff I used. You don't need all of it, unless you have mastered the techniques that I proceed to f*** up in this video. Anyways, all lessons learned. The main one being that some of these just don't work. See if you can keep track of all my mistakes. It'll be like a Where's Waldo, but with failure. So here I try to do a little swirly swish marbling like you do with batters and shit. Thing is, I didn't also put down globs of white, so the whole thing was a big fail. You know what? Let's just glob on more. That'll do the trick. Jesus Christ! What the damn it. Well, whatever. Let's move on to something else. Now it's time to waste some nail polish and attempt to water marble. I should have attempted to use more than 2 colors, because this is basic as shit. Wait, you want to hear my best Christine impression? Wow! Just a little joke for all the fellow holosexuals out there. This is where I remember why you don't use tiny cups for water marbling, and that you use tape to protect your cuticles. What in the actual Jesus? Maybe if I just... Oh my fucking god! Are you kidding me? Alright, let's just clean it all up. Take another look. Clean, clean, clean. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Doop-de-doo. No! I got flipping cotton thread lint all up in my polish. Maybe if I just... Why? Anyways, scrap that Sharpie time! I saw people online using rubbing alcohol to turn the ink from a Sharpie into some sort of watercolory, smoky, cool business. Let's check this shit out. Okay, kinda lame. What the f***? It's not just my camera, folks. You literally can't see the shit on my white nail. Let's try a different Sharpie. Still garbage. Moving on to a tried and true method I've used in the past, but saved for last because I didn't think it would get the exact result I was going for. You just take some crumpled plastic wrap and brush on some paint, dab off the excess, and then just go to town. Dabbity dab dab. I felt as though it was a little harsh and I wanted a layered effect anyways, so I dabbed on a little white with a makeup sponge. And then I added a little gray. Not too bad. They kind of look like jelly beans though. Okay, here's where I pull out the special liner brush that I bought specifically for doing super fine detail on my nails, because all of my other detail brushes have very short bristles, so they hold nail polish in a less than desirable way. It's kind of working, but not really. Instead of globbing up, the nail polish just dries very quickly onto the bristles. Oh my breathe. It's all just material garbage anyway. Who cares? Woosah. So I decided to just go back to my regular little brushes and actually pour the nail polish out so I don't dry out the whole bottle. This is also when I realized the drastic difference in consistency between nail polish brands. It's kind of working, and it looks pretty cool. Let's just clean up a little bit. Well, they don't look like jelly beans anymore. But then, inspiration! A while ago I did these awesome sugar skull nails and decided to play around with that concept again. Except this time, doing stone skulls. Cover up half my nail so it doesn't look like tacky linoleum. And now, enjoy almost 2 whole minutes of me just painting skulls.
Gotta give this ragtag bunch some teeth.
Alright, so it's the next day now. I'm a mom, so I can never get anything done in a timely manner. I want to make my thumbnail look like burlap, like a scarecrow. So I'm just gonna use some super easy nail vinyls. Oh my god, will you just... Okay, calm down. Breathe. See, it wasn't that bad. Anyways, I tried to find the closest thing to a cloth pattern in my nail vinyls, and I'm now unstickifying it. This is so it won't stick too hard to the base coat and peel it up. Let's try a practice round. See how this turns out. Now I'm going to draw a little skull. Great. I have a freaking plaid skull now. Fail. Let's try that Sharpie business again. Can't believe an old Sharpie would let me down. Damn it, Sharpie! I guess I'll just go back to using a paintbrush. I'll try to just paint a stitchy cloth looking situation. Okay, now I'm just getting tired and over this bullshit, and the nail polish fumes are getting to me. To cheer myself up, I decide to do a good old gradient, because they're easy and they look great. I'm using black, silver, gray, and white. get the extra off and start dabbing away. Make sure you mind the curves and angles of your nail. Also, the use of tape here would have saved me a lot of trouble. Okay, so here I forgot to hit record. So you're just gonna have to catch up. I don't know what's going on here. My scarecrow concept is beginning to look like a f***ing King Diamond. And in proper King Diamond fashion, let's put a little upside down cross. It's not metal if it isn't sacrilegious. It's not black enough. There you go. Okay, there you go. My nail journey that turned out pretty cool, I think. Tell your one friend, imaginary or real, about my metal AF skull nails. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, just like and subscribe. Also comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Later, nerds.